Hey friends, in this video I will share my top 3 tips for preparing for the most important exams like the A-levels. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. So let's get started, and the first tip is having a plan. First of all, you should make yourself a rough plan with all your exams or topics and when you will focus on which topic or subject. But you should definitely not plan too much in detail, as things won't happen as you plan them, and then all your studying will be totally confused. To avoid this confusion, I recommend you using the retrospective revision timetable, as you are pretty flexible with this and you can still track your studying, and I will link a video to this in the video description. If you got any value so far, please hit the like button. And if not, just hit it twice. Tip number 2 is studying effectively and efficiently. After having a well-structured plan, the next important thing is to actually study. And for actually studying, you need the best and most efficient study methods, as you then do not have to invest too much time and it will help you to stay motivated. The best study methods to achieve that are active recall and spaced repetition. And I will link all the videos I made about them in the video description, so if you have not watched them, just check them out. Tip number 3 is do not fear. So after having made a plan and then studied your topic, it's time to actually write your exam. So for the last day before the exam, I do not recommend you to study anything because you are usually already well prepared. Instead of that, you should focus on your mentality and focus on not having any fear, because if you fear these exams, they will go wrong anyway. So concentrate on being as relaxed and as calm as possible to get the best possible result. If you follow these 3 steps to prepare for your important exam, I'm pretty confident that you will get good results and do not have to study all day and night. If you like this video, you might also want to check out my video about the best study method, active recall. This will be linked up here as well as in the video description. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.